So today we'll discuss about how to reassign a lead from one user to another user in a particular campaign. So this is a very common scenario that any of the manager or any of the admin will face. Like we, as a human being, like while handling a team, we usually face it a lot of times. So basically, in a particular campaign, if there are a couple of users or the agents have been added, and everyone has its their leads, but some due to some circumstances or instances, it might happen that a particular user doesn't able to show up for a day or on a leave for a few days or something, but we have particular leads that has already been assigned to that user and we need to finish it off. So in order to do that, what is the main concern that comes up is we need to take out the leads what has been assigned to them and give it to someone else who is available on that day or on a particular days. So in order to do that, what we need to do, being an admin or the manager, we need to first log in through the credentials. Once we log in, the first screen that we come across is the screen. Then what we need to do is we just need to simply go to the pipeline. In that particular pipeline, we need to select the that particular pipeline where the campaign is present. So let's say I'll select any of the pipeline as sales. So in this particular pipeline, so let's say there are a couple of whatever the campaigns have been added in this pipeline, it will show in the right hand side. And within this particular campaign, from whatever the campaign, I think that in this particular campaign, there are a couple of leads that needs to be assigned from one person to another. So I'll just select any of the particular campaign. So let's say it's I'll just go to a like old campaign. So let's say testing. Okay, so in this particular campaign, I can see there are a couple of leads have been present. So let's say in this particular campaign only, I have one user uh, who is not present right now, and whatever the leads has been assigned to that particular person, I need to just get it reassigned to someone else, so that all those leads where the person is not able to communicate or do the touch base, so the other user of mine would be able to touch base it and finish it off. So for that, what we'll do, I'll just simply go to the view leads. Once I go to the view leads, what I'll do is I'll just simply click on this bulk action. Once I click on this bulk action, I can see there are a couple of options are there, right? So before that, what we need to do, I'll just go to the filter option. Once I go to the filter, firstly, what I need to do, I just need to filter out that particular user's leads. So for that, I'll just click on users because from a particular user perspective, I need to filter out the data. So let's say I'll just select Lakshay. So whatever the leads has been present with Lakshay, I just want to reassign it to someone else. So I'll just select Lakshay. So whatever the leads are been assigned to Lakshay, it will appear. So I'll click on apply. So there, I can see there are two leads which have been assigned to Lakshay. Okay, and I just want that this person is on leave. So this two leads should go to someone else who is present and who can touch base the leads. So what I'll do, I'll just simply go to this, click on this, and I'll just click on the top to select all the leads. I have selected both the leads. Now what I'll do is I'll just select on bulk action. I'll just select on bulk action. Now I'll click on update. Once I click on update, what I'll do, here's the update assignee. I'll click on this update assignee. I'll just select Riju. So I want this two leads from Lakshay should go to Riju. I'll just select a Riju and I'll just click on done. And I'll just click on yes confirm. Now this two leads got vacant. Why? Because the filter option is still showing off Lakshya itself. So once I click on users and Lakshya, so I can see there is no leads available because the two leads which were present with Lakshya, I have reassigned it to Riju. So if I unselect it and then select Riju, I'll click on apply. I can see there are a couple of leads has been added. So whatever the leads I have like reassigned from Lakshay to Riju, it has came to Riju itself. Okay. Now Riju will go get that leads, and accordingly Riju can like start calling on those leads. Okay, so yeah, so this is the way how we can reassign a particular lead or a particular set of leads from one user to another in a particular campaign. And in the bulk action itself, if you just click on it, whatever the like leads we want to select, we can select it, and then after that, if we want to move it to another campaign, also that also can be done from this option, as we can see. Okay, and if in the same campaign we need to reassign it or change the status and tags, then for that we need to click on update. So that's all. Thank you.